Welcome to the Staable Machinery YouTube channel. My name is Matthias Beek, and in this video I would like to introduce myself and the startup. I'm a 20-year-old third year mechanical engineering student at the Delft University of Technology. In the last 2 years I've learned many topics, and when I came across the topic of computer controlled machines, often called computer numerical controlled machines or CNC machines for short, I got excited. In my excitement, I started learning this topic, and I even bought a 3D printer. As soon as I got all the basics, I wanted to build something. With this mindset, I came across the milling and lading course at school, and I immediately knew what I had to do. I had to make a milling machine with computer numerical control, whatever it takes. During the first phases of my own development in my own project, I came across the capabilities of a small but very capable milling machine. This small milling machine would enable many people to produce small parts, slightly bigger parts, and there's a lot of prototyping and making. When I searched the internet, I couldn't find anything that was capable enough to instantly buy. And with this mindset, I started developing my own. After a while, I thought maybe it's not only for myself. Let's make this a project, let's make this a product. And that's what I want to show today. Fast forward a few weeks and the following concept has been developed. I hereby introduce the EG-CNC, Epoxy Granite CNC Mini Mill. This machine is intended to be a fairly small, desktop size machine with enough capabilities for makers and professionals. The key points of design are the following. Small, vibration-free machine, suitable for desktop use. Heavy and stiff machine base, easy and cheap to manufacture, easily upgradable, and a great bang for your buck. As with the key points of the design, those are well defined, but so are the goals of the startup. With the startup, I aim to encourage the next generations to become engineers, inspire creators, promote rapid prototyping, and enable small or beginning manufacturers. Before you go on and watch a few shots of the latest model, please subscribe, follow and share this video with anyone that might be interested. At last, I will tell you the plans of this YouTube channel. With this YouTube channel, I intend to post a video in the upcoming weeks where I will explain parts of the machine together with educational content where you will learn from my experience and experience from others about the design of a CNC machine. I intend to start next week with a video on the design of the prototype, following with videos about the different components, say the electrical, the motion or the frame. At last, thank you for your time, and I hope you will see the next video.